Hey saints, I pray you're all doing well. I pray that the Most High continues to bless you, guide you, protect you and your beautiful loved ones in your going out and your coming in. Amen. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If this is the first time you've seen my face here on YouTube, I am Sister Nastasia Grace and I welcome you here. I hope that you press the subscribe button and join the Grace family. All right, so on the backup channel, I actually posted a follow-up video to the last video that I posted when I was giving you the topics. It's a part of the new series, right? What you missed this week. And I spoke about the Netherlands. I spoke about Sri Lanka, and I spoke about the trucker situation in Los Angeles, where they're all planning to get out and not deliver back one single thing there, right? Now, please go and watch the video that I posted on the backup channel, which is talking about the Netherlands, the Dutch situation, because it goes way more in depth scenes. It goes in depth and it tells you what is really happening behind the scenes and what caused this. In the video, I mentioned that it was because the government is passing this bill, this law, where they want 30% of the property of the farmers. And of course, as you saw, they're standing up and they're protesting and so forth. But did you know that the same man that passed this bill, his family, his in-law, is the owner of a food distribution company called Picnic, right? Picnic, there in the Netherlands, right? So this same Picnic company, guess who is the biggest investor in this company? Bill Snakes himself is the biggest investor in this. All right, so if you watch that video, I'm going to link it down below. You would have heard all of this, right? So stay with me. I'm going somewhere with this. Actually, I'm going there right now. Do you realize that, yes, not only is Bill Snakes buying into companies that deal with food, that deal with land buying, all these things that tie into food production, right? Laura, let me remember what you just told me. What the wicked elites are doing is they want to control the food, because what is going to happen is a food shortage. It started happening already, right? So because this man in the Netherlands owns Picnic and they want to control the food, they are digging into the farmers' property in their land. The government eventually is going to own our land, right? They've told us, the wicked have to talk, you know. They've told us their plans, right? But stick a pin. Even the name Picnic, even the name Picnic, because sometimes you have to ask yourself why they use certain names. They don't just name things like that. They don't just do things like that. They name their companies and do things that ties back in with an evil agenda, with an evil meaning, right? Okay, so Picnic, you know, when you hear it, you think of all the baskets and, you know, outside, because it's a French origin where, you know, you get a basket and you eat outside, just, you know, just so elegant and nice, or just casual and whatever. Then it was brought over to the Western Hemisphere, particularly in America. But do you know that back when lynching was being done in America, they would call it a picnic, where they would go same way, have their food, like lay out blankets and stuff like that, while they watch black men being lynched, right? Do your research, okay? So these wicked people are very racist, and hello, don't think it's just, you know, racist. my beautiful brothers and sisters, Caucasian, you're not out of it, because they're not only racist, they are classist. They're every is that you can think of that has to do with being down there, right? So don't think because you're Caucasian that you'll get a free pass. There's no free pass if you're not in that top 8%. No, it's actually, yeah, you're nothing, regardless of color, regardless of creed, regardless of anything, right? If you're not in that inner group, you're nothing. You're just another number. But back to my point is that I'm saying, look at what he named the company, right? So they want to control the food, and you know that if you control the food, you control the people. So thank you. Back to the truckers in LA. Since I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Why they want to not have independent truckers or truckers that have their LLC on doing their own thing, and they want them to go work for some big corporations, sign their stupid contracts, become an employee and stuff like that. It's because they not only want to control the food in terms of its, growing it, manufacturing it, they also want to control the distribution of food. All right, so beloveds, somebody's calling me. I keep getting cut off, but I made all my points. Beloved, please, just like how the Most High instructed Joseph to store up grain, I implore you, I'm telling you, please store up for the times that is coming. If you can, you do it. If you don't have it, pray, the Lord will provide, right? But at least know the truth and do something. Do not let them catch you unprepared. Okay? So not only are they racist, classist, just all of that, they're planning the 2030 agenda, just like how they had their other agendas, 2020, 2021, and you see everything happening. It's not like they had them and they weren't happening. They're happening. So I'm telling you, by 2030, that agenda will come into fruition. They say, 𝙃𝙚𝙎𝙊𝙏 said, they will own nothing and be happy. Right? My time is finishing on my phone. I'm gonna have to just do another part to this in the next couple of days. But since it all ties in, this shows you that it all ties in. Everything that they're doing all ties in. Okay? So this food shortage is real. It's begun, and you better prepare. Do your research. Know who you're really dealing with. These people are warlocks and witches. Come on, somebody. I only have a couple seconds. So this is, what I had to say. Please do your research. Pray about it. Watch the videos I posted on the backup channel that goes in depth, right? Watch real news like this channel and people that are telling you the truth. All right? I love you guys so much. May the Lord's face shine on you and give you his peace. Stay safe.